making mango ice cream with 3 ingredients. It is way healthier without refined sugar, and yeah, it's really good. So here we have a can of coconut milk, regular one, not light, but you could use light one. Frozen mango, I buy this organic one, chunks, Costco, and maple syrup. You can also use honey. So here I have 4 cups of frozen mango, then 1/4 cup of maple syrup. You literally just add everything in. And I'm gonna add a few tablespoons of almond milk because it does not blend well. And then I have here, see how it is solid? So this is normal, cream on top. Just scoop it out.